In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the current directory and the file directory that you're calling in Python. Now, we're just going to embrace the goodness of pathlib's path. Forget the old stuff. It's been out since Python 3.4, so let's be modern here. First, let's show you how to get the current directory. CWD stands for current working directory. It's an old Linux command, old Unix command, goes all the way back. And so pathlib uses that on your path object. So I'm from pathlib, I'm going to import path, and then I just call CWD, current working directory, and magically it shows me I'm in the Bunker Teaching Python directory. Okay, now let's find the path to the file that's being called. Now, this doesn't work in Jupyter Notebook. It doesn't fill in the dunder file, the double underscore file, a magic variable, if you will. So I'm going to import this current file, and all it does is print out, using path, it puts in the variable, the magic variable file, and then it resolves it to find out where this current file is at. And sure enough, when we run that, when we import the module and it runs, there it is. It's modules current file.py. So that's it. Very straightforward. Just embrace pathlib, use path, CWD for current working directory, and then resolve to find where that magic file is. So that's it. Subscribe if you haven't. Smash that like button down below so I can build an audience here and help more people. And I'll see you in the next video.